18 Creative, welcome back, guys. I'm so excited to be bringing you guys today's video. This is a DIY teddy bear stand that I did. I was not planning on recording, so I'm going to insert a clip here. This stand is from eFavorite Mart. I will post it in the description box below. Okay, right here, guys, I am showing you guys a floral cage. I actually purchased this from Amazon. This floral cage made it very, very easy for me to insert flowers in. If you can see right here, I have actually secured one end with a zip tie. I'm going to show you how I secure the rest. I had to get my son to hold the camera. Um, you could use this on any type of backdrop on the corner to put flowers in if you're doing a flower arrangement and then doing balloons. So this is a great piece. It actually came, as you can see, I zoomed in. It has two holes on each end and one in the center. I went on ahead and secured it, I think, with 6 zip ties, just because I wanted to be safe and make sure that this was going to be very, very sturdy. And the corners actually did not touch the end of this stand, but after I zip tied it and pulled the zip ties pretty tight, it actually had a great deal of security, and it did not move. It did not rock over. I just made sure that I kind of kept my flowers balanced and made sure that the piece was pretty stabilized in the center. So you see me here going through with zip ties. I think I just grabbed the zip ties from the Dollar Tree. I pulled them as tight as I actually could, and then I clipped the ends off so that the long stems from the zip tie would not show. And I'm going to show you here, I actually went and purchased some flowers from, I want to say, Hobby Lobby. So after I got this well secured, I went on in with those flowers and started placing those to make sure that I had them where I wanted them. Now, guys, I am not a floral person. You guys may be better with doing flower arrangements. I'm still learning, but I do know that it makes it easier when you add greenery to fill a space. You see that floral cage has several holes around the side as well as the top. So you see me here just playing with the flowers. Um, this is a hydrangea head that I got from a stem or a bunch of hydrangeas. The bunch was, I want to say, $15.99. I got it on the week that the sale was on, so they were 50% off. As you guys probably know, every other week Hobby Lobby rotates many of their items and they go 50% off, so you have to watch what you need each week. It kind of alternates in the store. So you see me here clipping with my floral cutters, just trying to figure out exactly where I want to place these flowers. And so I think I end up using like a total of 6 or 7 hydrangea heads. Now, like I said, guys, I was not planning on filming this, so I could have prepared a little better and had all of my flowers right there with me. Um, but my son kind of told me at the last minute, Mom, you should record this. So I went on ahead and grabbed my phone to do this for you guys. So I'm just going around the base of this. I am going to add some greenery. The actual stems of flowers came with green pieces on them, so I left some connected to the hydrangea head, but then I also pulled some individually off like this and placed them strategically where I wanted them. And to make sure that they stayed because they had no stem, I put some hot glue on the tip, and that's what I was just showing you. And after I inserted those with the hot glue, they stayed secure pretty well. So you see me just trying to figure out exactly where I want to place these. Like I said, I'm not a floral person. And after I started placing these, guys, I had used one full bunch, and trying to be cost effective for my client or for my customer, I didn't want to use too many. So I had already used 6 or 7, and I had to figure out what I wanted to do to fill this, because eventually this was going to be an entire stand, as you see me adding this pampas grass with nothing but pampas grass. But I realized how many flowers and how many pieces that was actually going to take. So what I actually did here, if you see that teddy bear in the back, that was another one of the centerpieces that I was using for this event. But what I actually did was start putting some peonies in to add a little bit of pink color, um, to pull in the baby shower color. Here is some dried pampas grass that I have that I ordered from Amazon. I'll link all of this in the description box below. So guys, you can see I set Mr. Teddy up here. He took up so much of the space, which worked out perfect. It stopped me from having to use a lot of flowers. I'm in the back now, filling in the back, because I didn't know where I was going to use this piece. And I wanted to make sure wherever I decided to use it at the venue, if the back was going to be showing, it would be full as well. So I just put the teddy bear on a dowel, secured him down, and I think it turned out so cute. It worked well. I had some smaller pieces of pampas grass, the white stems. They also came from Amazon. I'll drop those in the description box as well. But this piece was so cute. I added a few more pieces of pampas grass and another wild stem that was gold to pull in the gold colors that I had, and I'm not sure where I got that from. I apologize, guys. If I can find something, I'll put it in the description box. I had it for a while, but this piece turned out really cute. I transported it just like this, and it was so easy for me, not being a floral person. I also want to say I sprayed my pampas grass with hairspray to stop them from shedding so it wouldn't shed throughout the event. This is a clip of me that you just saw before I loaded it into the U-Haul. And then there he is, guys. He went up front. We used him as a focal point in the window. Great little piece. Everybody loved it. So guys, if you like this, please don't forget to like and subscribe. I would love to have you join Team Creative. And thank you guys so much for joining me.